Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2026 Chevrolet Colorado 2.8L pickup arrives with a bold attitude and even stronger capability, and today we're diving into why this new model is quickly becoming one of the most talked about midsize trucks of the year. From raw power to upgraded tech, rugged styling, and smarter utility, this truck is built for drivers who demand strength without sacrificing comfort. So let's jump straight into the full experience of the new Colorado and what makes it such a standout in the competitive pickup segment. Imagine walking up to the 2026 Colorado and noticing right away how much tougher and sharper it looks. Chevrolet has refined its design with a more muscular stance, a wider grille, and aggressive LED lighting that gives the truck a modern and intimidating road presence. Its body lines look carved rather than stamped, and the improved aerodynamics aren't just for show. Even standing still, this truck looks ready to conquer job sites, rough terrain, and long-distance travel. The bed is deeper, the wheel arches are more pronounced, and the overall posture shows that Chevy wanted this Colorado to look like a true workhorse. Under the hood, the 2026 Colorado is powered by a 2.8-liter engine that balances power and efficiency. This engine delivers a strong torque output that makes towing and hauling feel effortless, whether you're pulling equipment to a construction site or hauling recreational gear for a weekend adventure. The engine response is quick, smooth, and confident, especially when paired with Chevrolet's updated transmission system. Off-road, the 2.8L Colorado feels stable and well-balanced thanks to improved suspension tuning and smarter traction management. Whether you're climbing rocky hills or driving through soft sand, the truck adapts instantly to maintain grip and control. Step inside the cabin, and you'll feel a major leap forward in refinement compared to previous Colorado models. The materials look upscale, the stitching is cleaner, and the layout feels more thoughtful. The center touchscreen is large, bright, and fast, giving you access to navigation, wireless smartphone integration, vehicle settings, and entertainment with just a tap. The digital driver display delivers real-time data with sharp graphics, giving the cockpit a futuristic yet practical feel. Chevrolet also improved noise insulation, keeping engine and road sounds outside where they belong, creating a calm driving experience even at highway speeds. Comfort is a big win here. The seats are supportive for long trips, there's more legroom, and the climate control system is more precise than before. For those who love tech, the 2026 Colorado adds new smart features like advanced camera views for parking and towing, wireless charging, and improved safety systems that actively assist you in traffic. Features like lane keeping support, adaptive cruise control, and collision prevention make daily driving safer and less stressful. In the rear bed, Chevrolet put serious thought into utility. The bed now includes more tie-down points, improved lighting, and optional power outlets, making it easier to work at night or use tools on the go. The tailgate has multiple positions for loading different cargo types, and the overall build feels tough enough to handle years of heavy use. Whether you're a contractor, traveler, or outdoor enthusiast, the new Colorado gives you flexibility and convenience that truly matter. Driving the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado 2.8L feels like the perfect mix of toughness and modern comfort. It's rugged enough for challenging terrain, smart enough for tech lovers, and comfortable enough for daily commuting. Chevrolet built this truck for people who want reliability, capability, and style in one package, and it definitely delivers. If you're looking for a mid-size pickup that gives you strong performance, practical usefulness, and a premium driving experience, the new Colorado is a truck that deserves your attention. We'll see you next video.